today. That's here. This is the sixth floor today on the 16th of November 2024. It's in Kehräsaari. We have to find the address later. It's in Tampere, become a big land, Finland, built in 1991. It's in precisely 73017, but probably replaced an older one.
Yeah.
In 91, the capacity is 8%, so season diagrams. We'll try to get the rights here. We're starting on the 5th. It's weird that I didn't discover it before.
Yeah.
It's possible to open the door from here.
Yeah. Inspected by Kehräsaari, maintained by Kone, and there should be a Kone NPN for regulator somewhere.
Yeah. And there is a floor H between floors 1 and 2 for some reason here.
Yeah.
That's why it has actually 6 stops.
Yeah.
I like the wooden interior and I like the smell here in the sense.
Same.
But I think it could be late 1991 because it has these bit more modern doors.
Yeah.
It has a floor link into the first floor.
Yeah. That's
That's it.